How to get approved by Amazon Merch. Merch by Amazon is a great way to make money selling t-shirts and other printable products online. Getting approval can be difficult, notwithstanding, it is possible. In this video, I will review the secret to getting approval into Merch by Amazon. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so we can help you make money online regularly. Now let's get into the video. What is Merch by Amazon and how does it work? Merch by Amazon is a print-on-demand platform that allows people like you and me to sell merch on Amazon by uploading your designs to their products. Program has grown from only selling t-shirts to a wide range of products. This includes standard and premium tees, long sleeve shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies, phone cases and pillow. Merch by Amazon program debuted at the end of 2015. The program was created to assist app developers in monetizing their apps. The program is straightforward. Once you've created an account and got approved, you can upload your artwork to the platform. From there, you choose product to sell. I would suggest selling your design on all Merch by Amazon products, except in cases where the design fits only for some particular products or product group. Once you have uploaded your design to the specific products, choose the color that looks best on the product, give it a price, a title, and publish it on Amazon. Your product is now live and searchable on Amazon platform. Every time your product is purchased on Amazon, you earn money through royalties. Merch by Amazon is an invitation program where you must apply for an account. Applications are approved in a matter of days, up to never. Is Merch by Amazon worth it? Yes. Merch by Amazon is not a get-rich-quick scheme or a quick way to make money. Take into account that for you to be invited to join the program can take months. Once accepted, your merch design will be up against thousands of others. To stand out from the crowd, you must put in the effort. The length of time it takes will be determined by your SEO, search engine optimization efforts, and social media advertisements. Even though it will take a time to make millions, merch is a good way to create thousands of dollars in passive income. Once established, you can make several $1,000s every month on Amazon Merch. Some merchants have achieved tens of thousands of dollars in sales. Many sellers get into the trap of forgetting that they are sellers, except for the actual sales. Amazon handles practically everything. This is why merch on Amazon works well for anyone with a huge social media audience, a blogger, an influencer, or simply a well-known brand. Amazon merch merchants are paid every month. This occurs whenever your amounts are exceed Zelle via EFT or electronic fund transfer. Amazon merch royalties are paid 30 days after the product is sold, and payments are made at the end of the month. Why should you sell on Amazon? There are two great reasons for this. An average $20 t-shirt earns you $5 in merch royalties, while many other print or media service only pay you $2. Amazon is the largest online clothing stores, outselling its nearest online competition by more than 10 billion every year. Amazon is the largest online clothing stores, outselling its nearly online competition by more than $10 billion every year. Amazon has the potential to become the largest apparel store, both online and offline. The successful sellers have already proven that they can earn a few $1,000s each month, but this involves making hit designs that a large number of people buys. Most merchants are fortunate to make a few $100s every month. Merch by Amazon application process. The Merch by Amazon application is a bit of mystery. No one knows for sure how Amazon makes its decision when it comes to approving and disapproving an account. Behind the "and prepare with information required" business/individual contact information. I'm sure you already know your full name and your company name, bank accounts and routing numbers. If your country's bank is not on the list, it's not a big problem. Simply open Pioneer account. You will be asked to provide social security number or other tax identification numbers. Don't panic. You do not have to be a taxpayer. For non-US residents, the tax identification number may be National Insurance Number in the UK, a PPS number in Ireland, and so on. Some numbers that is given to you by your government. Go through the invitation process. The invitation process is more of filling out online form. It's straightforward, and make sure to provide the details information required on the form. However, there is no sure way to guarantee that your application will be accepted. Many factors plays a role in the decision-making process, and Amazon doesn't share this information with anyone. To get approved on Merch by Amazon, as I mentioned earlier, it is based on 9 feedback shared with me by approved Merch by Amazon seller. But make no mistake, this is as much speculations as any other. Like anyone else, I don't know the exact criteria Amazon uses to evaluate their application. I analyzed 9 stories and found a pattern. All sellers took the application seriously. They filled the form professionally, and all of them provided a link to a high-quality designs they have. Take it seriously and think of it like a job interview that you are applying for at the world's largest online retail store. It's not a dating app where you can write, "Hey, I'm cool, hi, hit me up." Be professional, be concise and clear in your applications so that the people reading it will know exactly what you are bringing to the table. Tell them where you heard about Merch by Amazon, what your strengths are, how qualified you are to be a Merch by Amazon seller, and why you want to be one. Be genuinely interested in the program and take your time to go through the process carefully. This will increase your chances of getting accepted into the program. Create an Amazon-worthy portfolio. Amazon doesn't need another copycat selling shoddy designs. When you showcase your product or design, show them your best original work. This shows them that you are good at marketing research and copying well-selling design. If you are not good at design, find a designer at a freelance website like Fiverr or Upwork for your design. Qualifications that will likely increase your chances of getting accepted. And when you are an experienced designer, you have experience with marketing, you have a huge social media followers, you are an influencer in your niche, you are creative and have a good sense of styles. These are just a few examples. If you have other qualifications that you think will make you a good candidate for match, be sure to list them in your applications. The more qualified you are, the better your chances of getting in. What to avoid in your applications: appearing unprofessional, being vague and unclear, not having a genuine interest in the program, appearing entitled or arrogant. How did I get matched by Amazon approval? It was back in 2016 when Matched by Amazon was a merchandising platform for app developers, mostly gamers. I heard about the platform and decided to take a look at it. When I found out that I have to request for an invitation, my first thoughts were, who the hell do they think they are? I was unimpressed, but curiosity got the better of me and I filled out the application. I'd forgotten about them. 6 months later, I came across an interesting video about Amazon Match. I remembered my application. Since the video was very inspiring, I decided to apply again, and by sheer coincidence, I sent the application from a different email address. 2 weeks later, I got 2 Matched by Amazon approval at once, which means 2 accounts. What will I do with this second account? To avoid problems in the future, I wrote to them and explained the situation and asked them to delete one of the accounts. I don't remember exactly what I wrote in the applications, but it was something like, "Dear Matched by Amazon team, my name is so and so on. I am an artist and I sell my artwork online. Recently, my friend told me about your platform. I find it intriguing and I see potential in a possible cooperation. As I mentioned above, I sell my artwork online. Thus, I'm familiar with copyright and trademark requirements, artwork upload, descriptions, etc. Hope to hear from you soon with best regard." And I added a link to a site with my work. I can't recall exactly, either Redbubble or TeePublic. Yes, I agreed. It is far from professional, but that was 8 years ago. What's the Matched by Amazon approval time? Be patient. The waiting game begins. Amazon say it will take up to 14 days to make a decision, but in reality, no one knows exactly how long it takes for Amazon to approve or disapprove your application. It could be days, weeks, or months. Just be patient and keep an eye on your email box and spam folder. Don't waste your time. There are lots of good print-on-demand platforms besides Matched by Amazon that you can give a try if you want to start selling merch. When Matched by Amazon has not yet approved your application, start with one of these platforms: Redbubble, TeePublic, Spreadsheets. There are many other options, but these are some of the most popular ones. Start building your portfolio and get some sales under your belt. Not only will this give you something to do while you await for Amazon, but it will also help you build up a fan base and get some experience in the world of merchandising. And if Amazon finally approve your application, you can start selling your products on their platform as well. If you want the Merch by Amazon to be your first love while you are waiting to hear back from Amazon, there are a few things you can do to prepare for success. Choose your design niche. Research your keyword. Set up social media accounts. Create high quality design. Join design communities and stay up to date with design trends. What you would do if you get rejected from Merch by Amazon? Reapply. Change your email, readjust your application, and try again. People get approved after 2, 7, 10, and 14 attempts. Finally, it can be hard to get merch with Amazon approval, but it is possible. To increase your chances of getting approved, follow the tips listed above and take the time to write a good application if you have experience in it. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more video on Merch by Amazon website and how to get accepted into Merch by Amazon and more. Check out this playlist of my top 10 video of Make Money Online, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.